Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment vous est? Hello, how are you? Bonjour, comment vous est? Hi, I'm fine, thanks. Bonjour, muy bien, merci. Hi, I'm fine, thanks. Bonjour, muy bien, merci. Okay, my name is Wood. And you, what is your name? D'accord, non moi c'est Wood. Et vous-même, comment vous allez? My name is Jack. Non moi c'est Jacques. Nice to meet you, Jack. Moi content rencontrer vous, Jacques. Nice to meet you too, Wood. Moi content rencontrer vous too, Wood. Where do you live? Qui côté vous êtes? I live in Port-au-Prince. Ma vive Port-au-Prince. Are you married? Est-ce que vous marié? No, I am not married. Non, moi pas marié. Who do you live with? Avec qui est-ce que vous vivez? I live with my family. Moi vive avec famille moi. How many people are in your family? Combien moun ki nan famille ou? There are 5 people in my family. Genyen 5 moun nan famille mwen. Do you have brothers and sisters? Est-ce que ou gen frère ak sè? Yes, I have brothers and sisters. Oui, mwen gen frère ak sè. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Combien frère ak sè ou genyen? I have 1 brother and 1 sister. Mwen gen yon frère ak yon sè. Are you the first child in your family? Est-ce que ou se premier petit nan famille ou? No, I am the second child in my family. Non, mwen se deuxième petit nan famille mwen. How old are you? Ki l'âge ou gen? I am 20 years old. Mwen gen 20 l'année. Are you working? Est-ce que ou ap travay? No, I am not working. Non, mwen pa ap travay. Are you a student? Est-ce que ou se élève? Yes, I am a student. Oui, mwen se yon élève. Okay, Jack. I was happy to talk to you. D'accord, Jack. Mwen te kontan pale ave ou. Okay, Wood. I was happy to. D'accord, Wood. Mwen te kontan tou. Goodbye. See you again. Mwen ale. Napwe anko. Okay, no problem. D'accord. Pa gen problem.